Everyone, my name is Rahmagadi Purnomo. We are from the Foundry Hub Create team. Good afternoon. Judge, we are Foundry Hub Create team. And today we present our recommendation for BRI's MSMA development strategy, market link in graduation. Let's start with the real constraint behind this case. BRI's Mindtree network is the backbone of MSMA development. But Mindtree intention is finite. Every horse spent on capacity building for one MSMA is an horse not spent elsewhere. And BRI is not a currency as a public bank. Every resource allocation decision must also protect portfolio quality and shareholder value. This creates a real tension how much should BRI invest in supply side capacity building, training, mentoring, formalization versus demand side market access, connecting MSMAs to real buyers and real orders. Or diagnosis. Existing program Mantri Visit, Link UMKM, PNM, Pegadaian already built MSMA capability. What they don't really build is the mind. Many MSMS graduate from training with a certificate, but without a buyer. That gap capability will help a market to sell into. Is where MSMAs stall before they ever become credit worthy. So the strategic question is training or financing. It's how do we make market access the missing link that convert trained MSMAs into bankable ones. That question is what our team analyzes next on my colleagues will walk you through it.
We propose a resource allocation of 14.5% to supply side capability, 15.5% to demand side market access, a deliberate shift toward market access, but not an abandonment of capability building. We want to transparent here. This 14.5 15.5 split is a managerial hypothesis, not a final BRI figure. That's why we built it as a decision framework with three scenarios, not one fixed number. If monthly capacity turns out to be the binding constraint, the allocation should land toward 16-14. If market and buyer access in the binding constraint, which our diagnosis suggests is more likely, it lands toward 13-17. 15-14-5 15.5 is our base case, with measurable triggers for it to move between scenario 1 real. No, the solution itself, we call it market link gradation, and we want to be very clear about what is not. BRI is not building a new marketplace. BRI is building order to financing infrastructure, a mechanism that turns a verified purchase order from a real institutional buyer into faster, smarter, lower risk financial decision. The model runs is 7 steps from buyer sourcing and order matching through trial order to verified financing and gradation. At a stage, we define who executed, what the concerned activity is, what output is procedured, and critically, the access condition required to move to the next stage. One point, the deliberate strengthened after internal review. A purchase order alone does not make an MSME creditworthy, so financing eligibility requires all four conditions: a verified order, a successfully completed trial order, validate working capital needs, and passing various standard credit risk assessment. And to be explicit, this does not require a new credit product. MSMEs are finance trucks very exciting working capital lending product. The verified order sampling becomes an additional underwriting input. Better information for setting the right credit limit, using infrastructure BRI already has.
We model this as a pilot of 500 clusters, roughly 1% of BRI's total cluster-based loans enough to learn from, small enough to consign the risks. In our best case, a 30% first order conversion rate, a 50 repeat order rate among those, and a 20% graduation rate overall, around 20,000 MEMS graduation to a higher financing tier. This creates value for BRI in 3Y credit value, incremental productive financing risk value, better repayment quality, from order bracket, cash flow visibility, and ecosystem value, interest transaction, and deposit activity across a platform. We want to be fully transparent on the numbers here. We estimate a net financing contribution margin, a management hypothesis, not BRI's, overall net internet margin, leading to an illustrative simple payback of approximately 3 years before discounting and before incremental. Operating crowdsource, a spot, pilot, monitoring, and serving tools are standard assumption for modeling purposes, not confirmed BRI data. And we stress tenses team under downside and upside scenarios as well. Our success in make sure with clear quantitative target first order conversion of at least 30% order, full payment above 85%, repeat order rate above 50%, graduation rate above 20%, and criticality for a bank NPL held at below 5%. Weight assessment to disbursement turnaround under 30 working day. Implementation run is fast it with a name owner. A defiance budget, a target number of cluster and buyer, and most employee. Decision get BRI review the data before commenting to scale, reduction, or stop. To close, BRI holds a quality strong position here. One that comes for increasing translation data, the main three network MSME cluster. Financing capacity in international buyer relationship into a single ecosystem market in Lekat graduation thus asks BRI to build something new. It asks BRI to consent what is already has stunning verified market demand into the missing signal, the makes MSME finance faster, safer, and more scalable. Thank you.